Hello and welcome to the product demo of the interactive touchscreen kiosk. You can see this interactive touchscreen kiosk is custom branded using the Thar dry port logo at the below the screen and the bottom part of the kiosk. This kiosk comes with an inbuilt 22-inch capacitive touchscreen with toughened glass, and these are Dell wireless keyboard mouse which come along with the kiosk. You can see there is some video playing on the screen right now. That is a background screensaver. It will keep on playing whenever the kiosk is not in use for a certain period of time, which you can define. So if I click here, it will exit from that. If you check out the specifications of this kiosk is powered by Windows 11 Professional Operating System. It comes with installed 16 GB RAM and touch support with 10 touch points, with all the latest drivers of Windows 11 Professional installed inbuilt, and some few open source and freeware apps like Acrobat Reader, antivirus, browsers, and media players, zip, unzip file facility, and OpenOffice. Those are pre-installed in this touchscreen kiosk. So this capacitive touchscreen kiosk comes with inbuilt toughened glass. It is heavy duty in nature, toughened glass 4 mm in front of the screen. So now if I want to type something, I can either use a virtual on-screen keyboard. You can see immediately the on-screen keyboard has popped up, and you can also use a physical keyboard and mouse. Suppose I want to type here, I type here physical. See, so both the on-screen virtual keyboard and the physical keyboard will work at the same time. You see this wireless keyboard is also working, and also the touch is also working at the same time. Okay, so other features of this kiosk, it's a HP professional HP professional desktop inbuilt into this. It has around 8 USB ports in front, and you can also have CD, DVD, ROM inbuilt. This is a long range Wi-Fi antenna which can give you up to 15 meters range. Even if you are 15 meters away from the router, you can get a good signal. Okay. Other than that, this kiosk comes with an inbuilt LAN port and power switch, and you can plug in your LAN cable here to get a Wi-Fi internet via LAN. And this is a power switch, and this is a 3-meter power cable which comes along with the kiosk. Also, the storage, we talked about the 16 GB RAM and Intel Core i5 10th generation processor. We can also check. See, this is Intel Core i5 10th generation processor at 2.9 GHz. Also, we can check the storage. This comes with an inbuilt 256 GB SSD. So the SSD RAM processor can be customized as per your requirement. Thank you for watching, and hope you like this video. Thank you.